NAIMOS na adwuma na omudi no eso ani na etumpon ama esombo ama yehu se ehye enkran se yebetimi ayemo
say Quatia Galamsey, ama yensu and so essay. NAIMOS for one common director, and then some of the Ghana for him is a walk say. A 2 a year pump guns, and my coma 124 and no match. And also Cardinal China, excavators Marcoma 112. Now, pumping machine the Niano.
A 124. And every Galamsey site 124 assorted weapons. Bebrina air pump action guns. I think a woman move on now. And Kazisi and Ebuka Umokumbia de see excavators. Menemo Casas is excavator 112. Yachi IAC bases, 4 different bases. Obasi and Quechowa, Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, or more chassis numbers, the types, NVBR. Metimi sabisi mukoko se ewo ho a metimi akwachewo
meno ka se chana fo so ebi wo ho a enre yai abanka bagu wo monsa ya chewo o Galamsey ne ye ho ususu sai fo adwenchira ne to na subscribe Talensi fo so se won ti ase se Talensi fo nya adwuma nya dia and no work for the mining company na waba won petimus oba be ye oba bitu agudie.
They approach and said that they are coming to work. We allow them to settle, but we don't have any work to do. We are suffering. We don't have water. The road is not good. Nothing. We are just roaming about. We don't have nothing to do. So that's why we are here to cause the.
Who's say when the Talensi for ya adwen? And also no money adwen. For adwen to we are subscribe Ghana News Central. When we say good. From a good day to no, de be a bimo, to no crime passo. If you must so fa crime one is need to. The son is a be a bit to me a quantia. Now one nam crime one is to say and so, say and so and so. No, a bit to me a stop it, a bit to me free home. Nesanti, Anna, my penny be a before being what I saw no, then shall pay well comes at a bit to me, Janabra, maybe so to my conquine. And the Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama by us. No, I was so sure maybe be to me because Ghana man penny that Kufuado. Obo modern deploy military personnel now work on mining sites a hold illegal mining site. And maybe mushe excavators a hold. And no maybe was a shade as a son of my baby so every mining site a hold. And then just say baby I didn't cono, young fan 2 year, a bema insu and suano, sayana say because I know because I do not say you be point to me and so you're benkata chipa when I'm wanting such as say, oh, go boons when I said the marrow. Then I Galamsey is inti. And the NAIMOS for so what walk with here. Now who seven say. A timber told us watching Crophobia what dresses away NAIMOS for or Shama Galamsey no corner to me Jinabrand. Overcome no a fake. Now so I found my inside I would watch Jessica be. A man Crawford as I want to answer ye. Yes, some police officers are here professionals. Almost so come my inside I would watch Jessica before 1 million idea between ya. Also, one shame or cherish one sim. And dear no, and a NAIMOS or more director. What then some would also Ghana for him say yes. A Jumana Ghana man penny, and Nafe, penny control for an chef from a good day to an orderman come up what they are who do what they are and say need the home. A minerals are who do what they are chain. What they say, Joanna Shannon, I was so boom quanta or 2 and will be who say yes. A Jumana NAIMOS for you or Mugusuna baby or my Yakuduni. And I want Chilamu say. Ejumano omo ye NAIMOS ejumano omanya atu aye pump action guns ene wokro ne ba e mako 124 ekoda nchan ya excavators o medical mining site ahodo ediko tutu fam ede fansu ahodo mu esesa ensu no ne kwan na omuwie sanso de ni nsu no mu esa ensu no mako 112 and omanya bro mo start operations and omachiche and so kwa kwada nchan ya wonu se okọ illegal mining site ahodo ye Galamsey site ahodo na omo wo machine bi e fe no pumping machine water pumping machines and these machines no idu ba bi a what the pipe no to nsuo num etwe nsuo no from say dey be obetumi nya agudie na ohwehwe no idu ba bi nso a na akɔtwe nsuo no firi baabi abegu amena bi a wotu mu sɛ da ɛbɛyɛ obetumi ahoro ɔmo gold na ɔmo hwehwɛ no saa machines no nso over 1000 ɛna ɔmo akyekye
etuo 124 ɛna yɛyi every Galamsey site 124 assorted weapons bebree na ɛyɛ pump action guns a ɛsɛ nka ɛwɔ nwura mu hɔnom na nka sisi a na ebi kɔ a ɔmo akɔn bi ade asie ɔmo terrorize locals na ɔmo yɛ farmers ɛyɛ national security issue enti ano no yɛn friend agro ba etuo nso sɛ de esi ha na nyɛ sɛ wo fire na no agyae memie sojani a ma kyɛ wɔ adwuma no ni homra enti tuo no a yɛagye no ya process ya document a NAIMOS no ɛhyɛ Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources ase enti yɛde letter akɔ hɔ sɛ ɔmo ɛhyehyɛ na Interior Ministry police and small arms commission hyɛ ɔmo nso nhia ministry no yɛde ma ɔmo a yɛn hand over na ɔmo nso a document na sɛ deɛ ɔmo bɛsɛ no ɔmo asɛ deɛ ɛsɛ ɔmo de kɔ ɛma aban no na ɔmo de akɔma no nti ɛno no excavators mene mo kasa sisi excavator 112 a yachi a AC bases 4 different bases a oba say enkwetro a Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources omo chassis numbers the types any bibia metumi service mo kokko say ewo ho a metumi akwetro say excavators we say ebimu wo hono ma yekɔ hɔ ne low bed a yetutu hu niama na eno so no ntumi fo ani nto so because Galamsey fo no omo so ewo omo different modus operandi uja machine this in room a omo akoto part for no mo de akotu no mo de kwantu no ebe 127 be no mintimi kan ho asem bebre but 112 de minim say esi ho a share Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources and sa ombe ho adwuma pumping machines more than 1000 and yes is enya nan kwa ne program nye we nkwa Ministry of Agriculture abeji biko hospitals ni bi no mo ho a moji ade pumping suoma ayaresa bia no na we yenuanom National Service Authority for so omo ye afuo omo trauma Ministry of Lands and omo se emfa mo no ye dane machines no from and e boni no omo de no e de yard papa a betu aye kua e de aboa enyina enti niam wo mu nyina no kyerese NAIMOS no adwuma na omo di no eso ani na etumpon ama esombo ama yehu se ehye enkran se yebetimi ayemo na yetimi ati nsu ne ye
ayesa ade no amanfo asi omobo so omo beye na no ye ha na de beto anim se enkrofo bi agbo modern akra water pumping machines yeah EP for yes environmental protection agency for ebo modern ekoche sa aka no na alodi water pumping machines our debo maimu kote na kese ma ni nyina na Galamsey huntia enti wacheche anase wasesa pumping machines mako 1000 eni achiri ya wase wadi bi mukura mama some hospitals say onfa ntwensu emfa nko facilities ho na onfa moabo mo ma bibia so entumi nkonkan na enum na ne ko na oguso a wo ko no China fo bi mo nso me no ka say yasanso achi bi mo ye achi bi mo bet minim asotwe ya de mo yeguso ya hwehwe mu say ye chi obi a woye foreign national ni titiri China fo udi kan ba o maimu ebeye gala ama enne yensu ase yensase ase ya wode banche chef mu a entumi nyeye ebokora utwemu a ntumi ni ye bi mu guso a wo ye chi omokora mpo a kwan be na edo mo faso a ye nhye da gu se ye chi obi wo Galamsey mu ni sei ena ede aye no na eno na Talensi for say watena se ehu se wan tunta sukoko ama Ghana mpanimfo hu se entajukoko obi enum ne mo ejate fufu a wada no de wanan bi gu abonten obeso wonsa ko omochi akyekere abo mo sotoro anasa abo mo yem enti some mining site bi ba oyeba won potem ho aba betufu megudie na edikan wonsa ase definitely ebesai adaba ko a awe ne so start baby aso woye mining na ebe wi akire no na galan nso abehim enti illegal mining and small scale mining ebe wi akire no na yakwaje nsemu enti o se so obetana se pa be ka se obe makwan ama mining bia koso won potem ho na saa mining no ebe wi akire won hyeda nyamfa so bia mfrim na ebese won sase ase won so de ene wo makwan emma saa company no kra nwura kronum wo makwan ma company no nwura kronum se oba betufu magudie enti me no kasa yi asrafo enefa bambofo nso duru osare be ya basabasa ebi ento ntumi nkoso o ne sai the Talensi for ye no onu omo ya adwen because ma hu se ohene bi oye etu na hene e wo bono region wakasa wo so one de onim se Galamsey anase mining no ebe wi akire no illegal mining ebe wi akire na be illegal enti sa obema kwan pa se mining no se Galamsey be koso won nsa so de wontwe because omo nsa ase ne da ho a Galamsey message no mpo mu de banchi sisu a banchi no wono a yarabasa afi ne sen wodi wo fufu okrampo na ayede na Galamsey sanso ba besai no dodo na farming no ye dididi obema kwan ene ezi so no ti ase muja egu no mu da bi na no yedi kan anti ase ma bebisa nkoso a ono so ntwe e magala nkoso enti de Talensi for eka ene de omo ye no omo ya agen anazo no omo ya agen na ohwe baby a NAIMOS fu aye adwuma na kwa akosi na ohu ne sai mo mo tonsap anasa wosenko maye de chen sei na ye che enkrofo no ene enoma hodo masesa no so a ye nya ne dai for adventure to we are subscribe Ghana news and try so Ghana mountain number on so nsama hodo nenam so adaro ma bi no nti say amano ka say the NAIMOS for so guso a woko upon 124 compassion guns o manya 120 excavators or my 112 excavators or macheche and afi over 1000 water pumping machine or macheche no and just say you man no my yewi omuguso a omoye ya ye to ho nkra JP ni mo na nanka so me to nkra Ghana mountain no so Galamsey ne ko ho a na ebi ne